Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Pranati, currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. Today we are discussing a topic on the operating systems. The topic is access matrix. So let us go through this. First, let us go to the introduction part. An access matrix is a security model that defines permissions for accessing resources in a system. It consists of rows representing subjects, users, processors or entities and columns representing objects, files, devices or data. Each cell in the matrix contains the access rights that a subject has over an object. Access matrix typically include read, write, execute and delete permissions. This model allows administrators to specify and manage access control policies efficiently. Elements of access matrix. Subjects. They are the entities or individuals that can request access to objects within the system. Objects. Objects are the resources, devices or the subjects that can attempt to access. Access rights. Access rights define the actions or operations that subjects can perform on objects. These rights include read, write, execute, delete, create and others depending on the specific system and its requirements. Access control list. Access control list ACL is a commonly used implementation of access control mechanisms, particularly in operating systems and network systems. An ACL is a list of permissions attached to an object such as file, directory or network resource, specifying which users or system processes are granted access to the object and what operations that are allowed to perform. Capability lists. A capability list is a data structure that associates each user or process with a list of capabilities which are essentially tokens or keys that grant access to specific resources or operations. A capability list is another access control mechanism used in computer security. Overall, capability lists provides a different approach to access control compared to ACLs, offering advantages in certain scenarios such as distributed system and secure communication protocols. However, they also come with their own set of challenges, particular management and revocation of the access. Access control models. An access matrix is a security model that defines permissions for accessing resources in a system. It consists of rows representing subjects and columns representing the objects. Each cell in a matrix contains the access that a subject has over an object. Access rights typically include read, write, execute, and delete the permissions. This model allows administrators to specify and manage access control policies efficiently. Each ACE contains information about which subject it applies and which object it refers to and the access right granted or desired. Access matrix example: file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. User A read and write, user B read, write and read, user C read, write, write. In this example, user A has read access to file 1 and file 2. User B has read access to file 1, write access to file 3 and read access to file 4. User C has read access to file 2, write access to file 3 and write access to file 4. Double inverted comma indicates that the corresponding user does not have any access to the files. Access matrix operations. A capability list is another access control mechanism used in computer security. Here a overview of capability lists. Definition. A capability list is a data structure that associates each user or process with a list of capabilities which are tokens or keys that grant access to specific resource or operations. Granting access. Instead of attaching permissions directly to the resources, capability list grant access based on the possession of a specific capability token. Benefits of access matrix. A access matrix offers several benefits of managing access control in computer systems. Fine-grained access control. The access matrix allows for precise control over who can access which resources and what actions they can perform. Scalability. It allows matrices can scale to accommodate large and complex systems with numerous users. Centralized management. Access matrices facilitate centralized management in the policies, allowing administrators to define, enforce, and update access permission through a central location. And finally, the conclusion. In conclusion, the access matrix is a powerful and versatile model for managing access control in computer systems. It provides a structured framework for defining, enforcing, and managing access permissions for users, processes, and resources. Overall, the access matrix is an essential tool for managing access control in computer systems, providing a flexible, scalable, and secure framework for ensuring that resources can be protected while providing necessary access to authorized users and processes. Thank you, everyone.